Hello everyone, Tyler.pabich here today talking handheld blower. Thank you to the people over at Yoovl for sending over this product sample for me to take a look at. We're going to open the box and see what we have inside. I'm going to do a full demonstration on my porch out in the yard and just show you how powerful this thing is. But before that, let's take a look what we have inside. So it looks like we have directions to use it for. We have a couple batteries, which is going to be nice. I'm glad that it comes with 2 batteries so that you are able to use a battery, charge a battery, and then whenever the battery's dead, you can just switch them out so you always have a battery that is fully charged. You actually have the handheld blower here and then the front part that goes on it. So take this out here. Looks fairly simple to use, nice and lightweight, which is awesome to have. Looks like you have the charger here, if I can get it out. Yep, so this is the charger that it comes with. And that's all there is to it. So I'm going to take a look more at this product, do a full demonstration of how it's used, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But again, thank you to the people over at Yoovl for sending this product sample over. Really excited to test it out, and yeah, stay tuned and I'll let you know how it is. Thanks. So as you can see, you have the battery that's on it right there. You can press the button to see how long that it is charged for. And then you have the power button you would press and hold to turn it on. And then you have the different settings above that you can do. There's also a turbo mode, and it really gets loud and really has a lot of power to it. I was pretty shocked, so you'll see that here in just a moment. But you have the different settings that are on there as well that you can go back and forth. But very simple to use, and it's nice to have that backup battery here. So here it is outside. I'm going to get it turned on here, and you can listen to how loud it actually is. So you can see here just how loud that it really is. It really does get loud, very powerful for something that is that small. Like I said, extremely powerful. Be very interested to see what happens when we get leaves in our yard. I'll do an updated review here in a little bit to when we get some leaves for fall, but probably hard to hear me right now with the blower in the background. But definitely recommend this product. Thanks again for sending it.